6 gigabits per second high-speed SSD enclosure. UGREEN hard drive reader supports 6 gigabits per second max transfer speed and UASP accelerated transmission protocol, 70% faster than traditional USB 3.0. The USB-C port is standard USB 3.1 Gen 2, which supports 10 gigabits per second, and 7 plus 15 pin SATA III supports max 6 gigabits per second. USB-C to USB-C cable included. Advanced built-in chipset. Built-in with a SM235cm chipset and premium aluminum alloy, makes the hard drive enclosure working with excellent heat dissipation. No cooling fan is needed for your high-speed working. USB-C hard drive enclosure. UGREEN hard drive enclosure can easily connect a 2.5 SATA SSD or HDD to your computer to expand storage, upgrade the system, backup files, retrieve and recover data, and transfer data. This external hard drive enclosure protects the hard drive from outside scratches and makes the hard drive portable for data storage. Broad compatibility 2.5 SSD enclosure. Fit with most 2.5 SATA III, 2 HDD, hard disk drive, SSD, solid-state drive, up to 6 TB, compatible with WD Blue SATA PC HDD 2.5, WD Green 2.5 SATA SSD, Seagate Barracuda 2.5, Seagate Firecuda, Samsung 860 EVO, 850 EVO SATA 3 SSD, SSD Plus, Crucial BX500, MX500, Kingston A400 SATA SSD, Toshiba TR200, PNY CS900, Drivo X1, Integral, Hitachi. Easy installation HDD enclosure. Plug and play with tool-free installation. No driver is needed for this external hard drive case. Supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux systems, game consoles like Sony PS4, PS3, Xbox One, Smart TV, router, etc. For the devices only with USB-A port, please use your USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. No request for extra power supply. Top reviews from the United States. It does what it is supposed to do. This is a neat item. I needed to get stuff off of my old computer after it died, and I was able to insert the drive in this, and it works.